Hello, welcome to Geeta's Maths class. Let us have the class on chapter squares and square roots. First, let us learn what is a square. What is a square number? Let us learn. When a number is multiplied by itself, we get a square number. When a number is multiplied by itself, we get a square number. The square number is otherwise known as perfect square. Okay? Suppose 5 is multiplied by 5, we get 25. 8. 11 when multiplied by 11, we get 121. So 25, 121 are known as perfect squares. That means perfect squares have pairs of identical factors. Okay? Suppose a number is given to you, whether it is a perfect square or not, if you want to find, you have to find the factors of the given number, and if the number has got pairs of identical factors, you can say that yes, it's a perfect square, otherwise no. Let me give you some examples about that. If you want to know whether 72 is a perfect square or not, find the factors of 72. 2 3s are 6, 1 2 2 6 are 12, 2 8 just 1 8, 2 9, 3 3. So the factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 72 has got 2 2s, 2 3s, but 1 2 extra. So it has not got pairs of identical factors. These two pairs are there, but one more extra 2 is there. That's why 72 is not a perfect square. Okay? Now, let me give you one more example. Let us see whether 324 is a perfect square or not. For that, let us find the factors of 324. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 1 3 7s are 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So the factors of 324 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay? 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 3s. Yes. Number 324 has got pairs of identical factors. Therefore, 324 is a perfect square. Okay? So, if a number is given to you, whether it is a perfect square or not, if you want to find the factors. If the number has got pairs of identical factors, you can say yes, otherwise no. Now, let us have the squares of 1 to 10 natural numbers. And students, I suggest you, it is very important for you to remember the squares of at least first 20 natural numbers. Okay? Let me give you 1 square means 1 1s are 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. So first squares of first 10 natural numbers I have written. Okay? And children, you know that in a number system, we have got 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the number system, we use these 10 digits. Whatever number it may be, we use these digits in the number system. And now you see the square numbers of 10 natural numbers I have written. Similarly, if you find the square of 11, 12, 13, 11 square, 11 means towards the end, 1, 12, 1's place 2, 13, 1's place 3. Similarly, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. All these, when you find the squares, you get 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. Like this only towards the or towards the end of the number, or I can say in the ones place of the perfect square, you are going to get these. So you see children, 1 square is 1. 1, 4, 9, 16, 1's place 6, 5, again 6 already got cancelled, 9, 4, 1, 0. That means a perfect square can have 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. That means if the numbers ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 are never perfect squares. Are never perfect squares. Are you clear? That means no perfect square has 2, 3, 7 or 8 in its ones place. That does not mean that if the number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 are perfect squares. No. All numbers are numbers ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 are not always perfect squares. Are not always perfect squares. But chances are there, if the number is ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, they may or may not be a perfect square. Next, 10 square is 100, 20 square is 400, 100 square is, see, 10 square is 100, 20 square is 400, 30 square is 900. Yes or no? Similarly, 90 square is 8100 or 8100. 100 square is 100 into 100, 10,000. You see here 2 zeros, here 4 zeros. That means numbers ending with even number of zeros are not always perfect squares. Are not always perfect squares. I showed you this. 2 zeros, 2 0, 10 square is 100, 20 square is 400. Wow. Okay, but 200, 300, 500, they are not perfect squares. Okay, that is what given to you. And you will not have a perfect square with odd number of zeros. That means numbers ending with odd number of zeros are not perfect squares. So if the numbers ending with even number of zeros may or may not be a perfect squares, but if the number ending with odd number of zeros can never be a perfect square. So these are the properties of perfect squares, and some more properties are also there that you are going to learn in the next class. Okay? So try to understand. If a number is ending with 2, 3, 7, 8, it cannot be a perfect square. If the number is ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, may or may not be a perfect square. If a number is ending with odd number of zeros, it cannot be a perfect square. If the number is ending with even number of zeros, may or may not be a perfect square. And very important thing is, you have to remember the squares of at least 10 or 20 natural numbers. Okay? Thank you.